Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to create custom fields in UPBASE. This allows you to tailor your project and task management to suit your unique needs. First off, we need to navigate to our desired project. So go to your dashboard and select the project you wish to work on. Now, why do we start with this? Because UPBASE organizes its custom fields by project, which means each project can have its own unique set of fields. Next up, we'll click on the Settings icon on the top right-hand corner of your screen. This is where all the customization magic happens. You can mold UPBASE to fit your project like a glove, and it starts right here in the settings. Now that we're in Settings, let's click on Custom Fields. The reason we do this is simple. This is where UPBASE lets us create our own fields to capture the exact information we need for our project. You will encounter an Add Custom Field button. Click on it. It's time to get creative and design that field that will make your project management a breeze. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. UPBASE allows you to edit, delete, or reorder your custom fields anytime. When you click the Add Custom Field button, a dialog box will appear. Here, enter the name of your custom field and select the type of data it will hold. This could be text, numbers, dates, dropdown, or even user. This helps us because it ensures we capture the right type of data in our custom field. Once you've filled in all the information, hit the Save button. And voila, your custom field is ready. It will now appear in your tasks, ready to collect that critical data you need to manage your project effectively. So, why does this matter? Custom fields in UPBASE give you the flexibility to cater to your project's specific needs. They allow you to capture the exact data you require, making your project management more precise and effective. Now you're all set to create custom fields in UPBASE and tailor your project management to your unique needs. Remember, the key lies in understanding what data is critical for your project and creating custom fields to capture this data. And that wraps up our guide on creating custom fields in UPBASE. Make sure to play around with this feature to find what works best for your project. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.